Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. If you are unable to move between your cells by up and down keys, but it is scrolling, so this video is for you. It is due to your scroll lock is on. So turn it off. You have to go to in Start, click on Start in Windows 10, then go to Settings, then Ease of Access. Now scroll down and click on Keyboard. Now use the on-screen keyboard, turn it on, and here you can see screen lock is on. So you have to turn it off. Click on it and now hope your problem is solved and you can move between cells and your scrolling problem is solved. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.